Hi, I'm Karina. I'm a content creator and an entrepreneur. So I've been trying and planning to get my eyebrows microblading done in India, but I didn't find a perfect salon till now. A lot of salons in India claim to do microblading, but all they do is microshading, and I don't want microshading. I want the strokes to be very apt. So I have been checking a lot of work on Instagram, and I found a place called Hiwaga in Vizag. They have two branches, one in Vizag and one in Hyderabad. So they have a new technique called eyebrow embroidery, which is an upgradation of microblading. So what they do is they have a machine called cartridges, which has strokes already on it. So generally in microblading, technicians do the strokes manually with hand, but in this machine, in cartridges, the strokes are already there. So the strokes will be very perfect. So I thought, okay, that's a great technique, and I thought to give it a try. And the service was awesome. I really loved the service. You can see it. Can you get the camera a little bit closer? So can you see the strokes, which looks very natural? It doesn't look like as if I've gotten a treatment done. It looks like my natural eyebrows. So I'm so happy with the service. Thank you, Hiwaga.